being with us. We are leaving this chamber peacefully into our offices. Await Mr. Speaker's arrival. We'll take it up from there. But for now, that we are not there with them because Ghana, our country, Ghana, is bigger than anyone. So we would want to, at this point, sing our party's anthem. Let you know who we are. We are the